Hashimoto thyroiditis is an autoimmune disease presenting with goiter, elevated circulating antithyroid antibodies, often with hypothyroidism. In this, there is immune response against thyroid antigens causing destruction of the thyroid gland. It was first described in 1912 by Dr. Hikaru Hashimoto, who called it struma lymphomatosa. Later, the name Hashimoto was retained. It is most prevalent between 45 to 65 years of age and is much more common in women. The etiology is multifactorial, including immunological, genetic, and environmental factors. Talking about the pathogenesis of Hashimoto's thyroiditis, several immunological mechanisms may contribute to thyroid cell damage, although their relative contributions are undefined. As shown in the image, CD8 positive cytotoxic T cells specific for thyroid antigens kill thyroid epithelial cells, and activation of CD4 positive T cells lead to the production of inflammatory cytokines such as interferon gamma, which causes recruitment of the macrophages, and activation of the macrophages, which further lead to thyrocyte injury. Coming to the clinical features of Hashimoto thyroiditis, the patient can present with painless enlargement of the thyroid gland. Majority or 75% of the cases are euthyroid. Some patients present with progressively increasing hypothyroidism, and some patients have an initial transient phase of hyperthyroidism. May coexist with other autoimmune disease like type 1 diabetes, Addison disease, SLE, Sjogren syndrome, pernicious anemia, myasthenia gravis, etc. And there is increased risk of development of primary thyroid lymphoma and papillary thyroid carcinoma in cases of Hashimoto thyroiditis. The diagnostic workup of Hashimoto thyroiditis include thyroid function test, serum antithyroid antibody levels, ultrasound of the neck, and fine needle aspiration cytology if thyroid nodule is present. In the laboratory workup, we can encounter deranged thyroid function tests such as elevated levels of TSH with normal or low serum thyroid hormones T3 and T4, decreased TSH with normal or increased serum T3 T4, elevated serum antithyroid antibodies like antithyroglobulin, anti-TPO, and anti-TSH receptor antibodies. On FNAC, we can see sheets of follicular cells with oncocytic change against a background rich in lymphoid cells. Grossly, it presents as diffuse symmetric enlargement of thyroid gland. Occasionally, asymmetrical enlargement or nodular appearance can be seen. The cut surface is pale, yellow tan, firm, nodular, and resembles lymph node. It could be also fibrotic and atrophied. Microscopically, diffuse lymphoplasmacytic infiltration with formation of lymphoid follicles are noted, and oncocytic change is noted in the follicular epithelial cells, which shows abundant granular eosinophilic cytoplasm and vesicular nuclei. The treatment of Hashimoto thyroiditis is symptomatic. Hormone replacement is given if patient is hypothyroid, and subtotal thyroidectomy is done to relieve compression symptoms.